In this video, I will explain property of information. Property of information. Property 1. Suppose an information source emits two messages, M of K and M of L. These two messages are independent with each other. The probability of occurrence of one message is Pk. The probability of occurrence of another message is ML, PL. This is the information source. This information source generates two independent messages. These two independent messages are M of K and M of L. Two independent messages. Two independent messages coming from the source. Coming from the source. Probability of occurrence of M of K is P of K. Probability of occurrence of M of L is P of L. These two messages are independent to each other. Example is it will be sunny today and cloudy tomorrow. It will be sunny today and cloudy tomorrow. This is the composite message. Composite message means a combination of M of K and composite message means combination of M of K and M of L. Weather today does not affect the weather tomorrow. Today weather it will be sunny today and cloudy tomorrow. Therefore, weather today does not affect the weather tomorrow. Weather today does not affect the weather tomorrow. From this, I have to prepare some statement. When two independent messages are received, the total information content is the sum of the information conveyed by each of the two messages. This is the statement. When two independent messages are received. That means M of K and M of L. The total information content or the total information content or the information content of the composite message or the information content of the composite message. That means M of K and M of L. Is The total information content is, or the information content of the composite message M of K, M of K and M of L is the sum of the information, the sum of the information conveyed, by each of the two messages. Each of the two messages. Mathematical statement. Two messages are emitted by an information source or M of K and M of L. Probability of occurrence of such two messages are P of K and P of L. The information content or the amount of information in the kth messages, that is I of MK. The information content or the amount of information in the Lth messages I of ML. I of ML. Prove that the total information content, the total information content is the sum of the information conveyed, by each of the two messages. Okay, this is the in mathematical form. M of K, M of L. This is the total information content. The total information content is I of M of K and M of L is the sum of the information conveyed by each of the two messages. Each of the two messages means information content of the M of K is I of M of K. Information content of the M of L is I of M of L. M of K plus I of M of L. Proof. M of K is message. M of K is message. Probability of occurrence of such messages. M of K is PK. The information content of the information content of the message M of K is I of M of K. That is equal to log 1 by PK base 2 bit. This is equation 1. M of L is M of K is the message. M of L is the another message. Probability of occurrence of such message. M of L is PL. The information content content of the message, the information content of the message, ML is I, M of L is equal to log 1 by PL base 2 bit. This one is second one. The two messages are M of K and M of L are independent. The probability of composite message is PM into PL. The two messages are M of K, MK and ML are independent. The probability of composite message, combined message. Combined message is PM into PL. The information content are the amount of information in the composite message. MK, ML is I of MK, ML. If MK, ML is equal to log 1 by probability of occurrence of such a composite message, MK, ML is 1 by PK, PL base 2 bit. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B. That is log 1 by PK base 2 plus log 1 by PL base 2. Log 1 by PK base 2 is the information content of the kth message. That is I M of K plus log 1 by PL base 2 is the information content or the amount of information in the health message. That is I M of L. Therefore, finally, these two messages are independent to each other. The total information carried by that composite message is the sum of the information conveyed by each of the two messages. This is I of MK, M of L. This is composite message. I of MK plus I of ML. That means it will be sunny today and it will be cloudy tomorrow. These are the two messages are received. It will be sunny today and cloudy tomorrow. Is the sum is the same as the sum of information received in two messages. It will be sunny today and it will be cloudy tomorrow. This belongs to composite messages. It will be sunny today. It will be sunny today and cloudy tomorrow. Is equal to it will be sunny today. It will be sunny today. It will be cloudy tomorrow. It will be cloudy. These two messages are independent to each other because weather today does not affect the weather tomorrow. Weather today does not affect the weather tomorrow. That means these two messages are independent to each other. The proof is completed.